From breaking news to invention so grand, Mystic Land's the place so we could come together, yo, and all take a stand. We'll tackle issues, make the world shine bright. With knowledge and kindness, yo, we're shining all of our light. In Mystic Land, yo, the world is a stage where Mystical's room, and stories gonna engage. From Mystic Post to the faraway shores, we're learning and exploring, always wanting some more and more.
Welcome to MysticPost Broadcasting Company. 3, 2, 1, buckle up for Auroch Sciencey News.
The ancient green highway in India. The four mysticals, Auroch, Verum, Scorch, and Felix, were walking in Felix's secret garden. Felix was excited to show them all the colorful plants, fruits, and flowers he had grown. This fruit is from the northeast of India, Felix said proudly. That's awesome, Felix, Auroch replied. I just learned about a special leaf found in that area. Did you know that a long time ago, there was a green highway in India? A green highway? What does that mean? Verum asked, his eyes wide with curiosity. By green highway, I mean a big stretch of forests that connected the western Ghats in the south of India to the northeast forests. Animals could roam freely and meet each other, Auroch said. No way! Those places are so far apart. Scorch was surprised. I read it in the Book of Everything. Some scientists found a leaf fossil in Assam. They studied it and learned, Auroch started. Wait, what's a fossil? Felix stopped Auroch. He pointed at the mystic beasts who had gathered around them and said, they want to know too. Auroch smiled and explained. A fossil is the remains of a plant or animal that lived a long time ago. If a tree falls and gets buried in mud, it can turn into rock over millions of years. That's a fossilized tree. Felix nodded and made sure all mystic beasts understood. So what did the scientists find? Scorch asked eagerly. Auroch continued. They found that the leaf is 23 million years old. It came from an ancient tree that is now only found in the Western Ghats. This means that those plants used to grow in both places. But over time, changes in the weather made them move to smaller areas. This discovery helps us understand how nature in India was once connected. The two scientists, Gaurav Srivastava and Harshita Bhatia, made this important discovery, Auroch said proudly. The mystic beasts and the mysticals stared at Auroch with wonder. He had the best stories to tell. Now, it's time for Flash News.
Pointy ears, sharp minds, listen carefully, and answers you shall find. Ready for Flash News? Your 1 minute starts now.
A famous Indian scientist named Jayant Narlikar has passed away at the age of 87. Narlikar helped develop a unique idea about how the universe works. He also created a special center called IUCAA. Here, students and researchers can learn more about space and stars. Narlikar loved sharing his knowledge and inspired many young scientists to follow their dreams in astronomy. His contributions to science will always be remembered. Uh-oh, it looks like we need to put our masks back on. COVID-19 cases are going up in India again. Right now, there are at least 257 active cases across the country. Maharashtra has a lot of cases, but Kerala has the most with 95 active ones. Shh! The Mystic Lord has a message for us. Kindness towards nature. Hello, dear Earthlings. Today, I wish to talk to you about how important it is to be kind to the environment. Have you ever realized that an act of kindness towards nature is indirectly kindness towards yourself? And that being kind to the planet we live on ultimately makes a better world to live in. That's the power of kindness, dear ones. Walk or cycle wherever you can. Try to finish tasks with less water. Instead of a whole bucket, can you manage to bathe with 3/4 bucket of water? Remember to switch off appliances, fans, and lights when not in use. These little acts of kindness by all of us will have a meaningful impact on planet Earth.
From breaking news to inventions so grand, Mystic Lands, the place where we could come together, yo, and all take a stand. We'll tackle issues, make the world shine bright. With knowledge and kindness, yo, we're shining all of our light. And Mystic